Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be teaching y'all how to put custom paint schemes into NASCAR Racing 2003 season. So as you can see, I have this very complicated, complex paint scheme right here, and it's for the BR 2015 mod. That's very important. You have to know what mod you have, and you have to paint accordingly to the template for that mod. So, in this video, I'll be showing how to do both uh, your painting schemes and .car files. So, first of all, let's do paint schemes that you painted. So, once you're done with your car, you're satisfied with how it looks, what you have to do, very important here, is to turn the mask off. So, look through your layers until you find the mask. Usually it's at the top, but then turn it off. Now what you have to do is go up to File. This is for GIMP, by the way, but I think it's basically the same principles apply for everything else. You have to export it, and where you have to export it, you have to go to Windows, you have to go to Papyrus, you have to go to NASCAR Racing 2003 season, then you go to Exports, Imports. Now basically, what you have to do now is you have to name it whatever you want to name it. So say I want to name this banana. And then you have to save it as a .tga file. That's really important, because that's the only file it sort of reads. So once you export it, you can close your car, if you want to, of course, and we'll stop by that later. Now, let's just choose a car for the same mod that we can showcase. Say we want to download this car right here, right? Shout out to Pantalica, who painted this car. But say we're on Stunod Racing, and we want to get this car, so you just download it. And once you have it downloaded, what you do is go to your downloads folder and take this and copy it. And then you go to Windows, Papyrus, NASCAR Racing 2003 season. Then you go to Series, and then where your mod is, right, where your mod is, you have to paste it in the cars folder. Crap, this is the wrong one. You have to paste it in the cars folder. Boom, it's right there. Now, what we're going to do is go to NR 2003, and once it loads up, we need to find the mod that we downloaded everything for. In this case, we used the 2015 Gen 6 mod, and we have to go to Opponent Manager, right? Just let it load up. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom, make sure active drivers are not displayed, and then what you gotta do is press New. Take the manufacturer of the car you painted. In my case, I did Dodge. You have to name it whatever you want to name it, so I named it Banana, so I'm going to name it Banana. And then import, and then Banana is right there. Press OK. And boom, there's our car. So we can name it Banana, Bananason. And our number, we don't really have a number, but we're going to say 0 for the situation. We can save it. And boom, that is our painted car into NR 2003. Now, when it comes to the car we downloaded, we just have to look through here, and boom, it's right there. This is a really simple way. I mean, not a lot of people know how to do this, and it's interesting because it's so easy. And now, on the flip side, if you want to export a template from NR 2003, say we see this Jeff Gordon template. Oh my god, I love this car. I want to make a custom from it. Well, first of all, you got to get permission from the people who made the template. Then you got to press export, and then you name whatever you want. Press OK. Then you go to Windows Explorer or File Explorer or whatever this is. Go to Exports, Imports, like I told you to, and the car should be right there. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comment section, and I will see you guys later.